How to play game in the Boloup app. Guys, this is what we're going to be talking about today. A lot of people told me that they don't know how to play games or which game they are going to play. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the games I play in Boloup app and how you are going to play it. It is very easy and very simple. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good night, depending on the time you're watching me. It's your girl Gallant Baby. I hope you're good. I hope you're fine. So guys, what is Boloup app? Boloup app is a live streaming app that pays you for doing little tasks. All right, and it has a lot of games which you can play and do what make money. If you don't know about the app, or if you're interested in joining this app, please click on the description box. You're going to see the link to get registered in the Boloup app. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe if you want to get more tips like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, kudos to you. I love you. Thank you for the support and for the love. All right, okay, let's get into the Boloup app now, guys. Boloup app, like I said, is a live streaming app. Okay, now when you are done registration, and you must join an agency, or you can become an agent before you be able to do your face authentication or face verification. It's very important. If you finish registration, you will not be able to do your tax except you join an agency or you become an agent. All right, so if you're interested in any of this, please do well to contact me. Okay, now guys, let's go into the Boloup app. Now you're going to play games. And how does it work? You need to buy coins to be able to play game. All right, you need to buy coins to be able to play game. So when you have purchased your coins, you know, I'm going to show you how to play the games and how to go about it. Okay, all right, let's dive in. Okay guys, this is my account. As you can see, I am in Gallant Baby agency. All right, now you're going to, when you have purchased your coin, if you click on this, you're going to see I have 3,000 coins here. Okay, and I have $5 here, right? Okay, let's go. Now we're going to click on my room. You're going to click on charts. Okay, now when you click on charts, you're going to have your private room. Look at my room here. Now, are you seeing this symbol here? This symbol is the game symbol, this particular one. Yes, so you're going to click on it. When you click on it, all these things are games. All these things are games. My hand I've already opened on one. All these things are games. Okay, all of them are games. Now, which one do I like to play? I like to play this Borake, Ocean, Olympus, Bali, Yummy, Jungle, Gazesha, Roulette, and that's the games. These games I mentioned are the games I love to play. Okay, so they are very simple to play because it is a spinning game. All right, now let's play one game and see what will happen. First of all, let's open this Ocean Hunt. If you are conversant with the Pink app, you know that this game is very simple because it is there in the Pink app too. All right, so you allowed your game to load. Yes, you allow your game to load. Once you have done your face verification, you're supposed to be seeing the game. But if you cannot see it with your phone, please buy coins, do some exchange, and you will start seeing it. All right, okay, the game has opened. So now, first of all, not to disturb whoever you are with, you're going to click on this volume sign to mute the game. All right, now the game is muted. Now, how do you control? This is you. So this is how much you have. Sorry, this is how much you have. 3,000, right? 3,000 coins. Now this is how much you are staking. Now if you want to add this, if you want to stake more than this, you just click on this plus sign. This plus sign would, the staking will increase, or you click on this minus sign, it will do what? Decrease. So let's stake with 240. So now as you are spinning, 240 is going per spin. 240 will be removing from this particular 3,000 coins. Now let's spin. So I'll spin. So as you can see, I did not win anything and my coins decrease. You spin again. So I won 100. So that is how to play this game until you win big. But if you play and see that this game I am not winning anything, I am losing, please, you know that the game is not returning. You do what? You leave that particular game. Okay, now I've won 800. As you can see, I've gotten back my 3,000. So this is how to play this particular game. All right, this particular game is very simple because it's a spinning game. Okay, so that is how to play this one. So but as you can see, because of this is a teaching video, I'm not going to go ahead and play. I'm going to go ahead and try another game. All right, so let's go ahead and try another game. Let's try jungle. This is one of my favorite game. It is very, very easy to play, like I said. So if you know how to play one game, other games will be very, very easy for you. All right, so what you need to do is to buy coins, go to the game, study it, know the one that will favor you more, then you play it. But I used to advise my host, please know when to stop the game. Know when to stop the game. Don't be too greedy on the game. So this one, you click on these 3 lines here, you click on this microphone to mute. Please always know when to stop the game. Okay, let's play. Click on this spin. I'm going to be spinning with 100. So please always know when to stop. Don't be too greedy. If you play, the game is not returning, please stop, or you try another game. And if you play and win, go and do your exchange immediately. Because if you keep saying there, I want to win big, you will lose other the ones you have won already. So please know when to stop and know when to continue. That is the advice I'm going to give you today. So as you can see, I have a big win. I have won 1,500. So my distance is almost 4,000, as you can see. So this is how the game works. All right, so we're going to try another game after now for the last time, so that you would see it. Let's try another game. Let's try this Olympus here. That is also one of my favorite game. All right, so you can study the games. There are a lot of games here. You study it and know the ones that favor you, and you play it. All right, so let's play this one and see what we'll gain. So the game has loaded. Like I said, you always mute. All right, so you just spin. It's a spinning game. All right, so it's a spinning game. So this is how the game works. So please, if there is something you don't understand, do it to ask me in the comment section. All right, do it to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. So this is how the game goes. So I have won. So as you can see, I have won. My coins is now 4,600. I came here with 3,000 coins, if you remember. So I am going to stop it here. All right, so guys, I believe you have learned one or two from the games I just showed you. That is how to play Boloup games. Okay, it is very, very simple. It is very, very understandable. So please, you can go now and try it. And if you don't know how to get your coins, you can also contact me. All right, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll be delighted to put you through. Love you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.